To this video lecture series, this video lecture number 4. This video lecture is specifically designed for BA semester 5 core English paper number 4 Indian English literature. In unit number 3 we have 3 poems, and out of that one poem we have finished, that is Night of the Scorpion. Second poem we have finished, that is यस श्री अरबिंदो की पोएम थी, हमने फिनिश की द टाइगर एंड द डियर. नाउ द थर्ड पोएम नंबर वाइज, द फर्स्ट पोएम हमने पहले थर्ड पोएम ले ली थी पहले. ओके, नाउ थर्ड पोएम सीता बाय तोरूदत्त. ये पोएम हम 3 पोएम फिनिश कर देंगे, उसके बाद यूनिट नंबर 3 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद कोई क्वेरीज होगी यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और जो भी हमारा मीडियम रहेगा. अभी ये वीडियोस हम आपको शेयर करेंगे. Okay, now in unit number 3 poems, out of that 3 poems, now the last poem is Sita by Torudutt. Hope you are ready with your poem, because earlier we have talked that just go to Google, you can Google the poem and write it down in your book. It's hardly 20 lines. So I hope you must be ready with your poem. See the title, Sita. See the title of our paper, Indian English Literature. Literature which is written in India, which is written by Indian writers. In earlier poems also, Tiger and the Deer, we talked about spiritual understanding or harmony in nature and in human life. In earlier poem, Night of the Scorpion, we talked about superstitions and rationality and love of a mother for her children. Now in this poem, the title is very clear that Sita, this Indian typical name, the word Sita is not unknown to you people. The word Sita itself makes it clear to you that it must be about Sita. अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, रामायण देखी होगी आपने और सीता की जो एक इमेज है, आई विल कॉल इट इमेज, अ पर्सनालिटी, a character. Yes, I am coming to the exact word. A character of Sita symbolizes suffering, endurance, a typical kind of Indian society where the character rises on its own. एक अपना एक कैरेक्टर अलग दिखाती है. यहाँ पर भी द टाइटल सीता है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं तोरूदत्त द राइटर, तोरूदत्त ने डायरेक्टली सीता कौन थी, जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है सीता के बारे में. कहीं टाइटल में नाम नहीं दिया गया है, सॉरी इन द पोएम, इन द टेक्स्ट कि सीता. It is we that we have to imbibe the meaning. हमें अंदर से मीनिंग निकालना है. So before we start with the poem, let me give you some informations of Torudutt. She is one of the leading, I'll call it leading and very in sad manner I can say that I mean to say in Indian English literature we lost a gem of literature. At the age of 21 she died. अगर तोरूदत्त जिंदा रहती तो इंडियन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में और इतना कुछ अच्छी पोएम्स उनकी आती हमारे सामने. तोरूदत्त, among the Indian English writers of Indian Renaissance who gave independence outlook, right direction, original subject, the name of Torudutt stands first. Her best work of depth of human motives and emotions and abiding faith in Indian value. Besides writing in French and English, she was also writing in French because her father moved to France from India, from Calcutta to France. Her father, Torudutt's father embraced Christianity and afterwards left Calcutta and settled in Nice in France. And there Torudutt and her sister learned their first lesson in French language. And she also acquired mastery in French language also. And she excelled in this language and used it effectively and proficiency for their literary learning. afterward. Besides writing in French and English, later on she turned to Sanskrit. The Sanskrit literature to get the scared touch of India's news and introduce to the world about her splendor, beauty, and rich treasure house of ancient wisdom. It was a matter of deep sorrow that she died so early, when her talent was blooming under the vast auspicious knowledge of Indian myths, legends, and folklores. And it was very sad that not only from the Dutt family, not only Toru Dutt, but her brother Abju was also died at the age of 14. Her sister Aru was also died at the age of 20. And after this two deaths, she also died at the age of 21. Toru Dutt had listened the immortal stories of Indian heroes and heroines through her mother. उसकी मम्मी ने उनको ये सब इंडियन वेदास एंड पुराणास की जो स्टोरीज थी, महाभारत रामायण की स्टोरीज थी, वो उनकी मम्मी के पास से सुनी थी और वही उसके माइंड में था और उसमें उसने अपना क्रिएटिव राइटिंग्स किया. एंड वी हैव द पोएम सीता.